Let's learn to send emails with the SMTP module from Python. Import smtplib. We'll be sending an email from ayushidf@gmail.com to bhumikadf@gmail.com. This is an app password we've generated for Windows PCs with the sender's account. We create an SMTP server object using port 587 with the domain smtp.gmail.com. Call extended hello once, start the TLS connection, call extended hello again. Now log in to the sender's account using the mail address and the password, the app password in this case. This is the message we'll be sending. We specify the subject and the message here. This is where we send this mail from the sender to the receiver. The mail has been sent. We print a success message. And now we close the connection to the server. If we check in the inbox of our receiving address, we can see that this mail has arrived. It also has the subject like it should. Now let's send an HTML email. Create a server object again, call ehlo, start a TLS connection, call ehlo again, log in again. Now this is the message to send. It has a from field and a to field, a MIME version and the content type. It has a subject and the message has some HTML. Send the mail and print sent. Close the connection now. We can see that we have received this mail now. All perfect. The hi is center aligned and we also have the horizontal rule. And so we've sent an email and an HTML email with Python.